'Twas in the merry month of June. From me home I started, left the girls in tune. Nearly broken hearted, saluted father there. Kissed me down and mother, drank a pint of beer. Me teeth and tears was sweating off the reap the corn. They were Irish born, cut the stump like down to be Irish coast. Dublin's brand new pair of blows, rattle all the bugs, biting all the dogs on the rock and roll. The Dublin once a great while, cut the hair and turn it down a rocky roll. And all the ways of Dublin went while we died. And Mullen got a bite out of the turn, where he left the road next door. He feeling bright and there he had a drop of fuel. He came out to sink and that's the how he's doing. And there was the truth to say the last he smiled. But all the while, up the curious star was such a bar. The brother and Ashley was the hell. Why was I a purge till I was sick and tired of the rock and roll. The Dublin once a great pile. Hunt the hair and turn it down the rocky roll. And all the ways the Dublin went that out of the in Dublin next to ride. Such a pity the basis in the pride of you. But constantly when I took a stroll, all of the quality bundle it was stolen. But they could hardly something crossed my mind. When I looked behind the bundle, couldn't find a pound to stick. However, the last for the road, for me can't roll, was so much involved on the rock and roll. The Dublin once a great pile. Hunt the hair and turning down a rocky road. And all the ways the Dublin went fell out of that. From there I got away, me skirts never failed, and landed on the quay just as the ship was sailing. Captain at me roared, got no more of Paddy when I jumped aboard. I cut it ground from Paddy down among the plates. There's some early rigs, got some early chicks to walk around me, bubbling while a Paddy had. Wished that I was dead to fight the first dead on the rock and roll. The Dublin once a great pile. Hunt the hair and turn it down a rocky roll. And all the ways the Dublin went by all the time. The boys of Liverpool, when the slightly landed, call myself a fool. I could no longer stand it, blood began to boil. Temper I was losing there, all aerosol. I began abusing around me, so society lady, I had a fight. Going boys upon a saw, went to hobbling with a louder right. Joining me a fight, cut me clear the way for the rocky roll. The Dublin once a great pile. Hunt the hair and turn it down a rocky roll. And all the ways the Dublin went that only die. The pub where I was born, he played it from the night time to the peaceful early morn. He soothed the souls of psychos and the men who had the horn, and they all looked very happy in the morning. But Jimmy didn't like his place in this world of ours, where the elephant man brought storm in his necks and he had too many powers. So it was sad to see the grieving of the people that I'm leaving, and he took the road for God knows in the morning. We walked into the station in the rain, we kissed him as we put him on the train, and we sang him a song of times long gone. Though we knew that we'd be seeing him again. Sad to say, I must be on my way, so buy me beer and whiskey cause I'm going far away. I'd like to think I'll be returning when I can to the greatest little boozer and to Sally McLennan. The years went by and times have changed, I grew to be a man. I learned to love the virtues of Sid Sally McLennan. I took the cheers and drank the beers and crawled back home and dawn. I ended up a barman in the morning. I played the pump and took the hump and watered whiskey down, and took the booze and horses to the men and drank the brown. I heard them say that Jimmy's making money far away, and some people left for heaven without warning. We walked into the station in the rain, we kissed him as we put him on the train, and we sang them a song of times long gone. Though we knew that we'd be seeing them again. Sad to say, I must be on my way, so buy me beer and whiskey cause I'm going far away. I'd like to think I'll be returning when I can to the greatest little boozer out to Sally McLennan. When Jimmy came back home he was surprised that they were gone. He asked me all the details of the train that they went on. Some people they are scared to come, but Jimmy drank until he choked, took the road for heaven in the morning.